Hello friends, I am Dr. Kumar Babu, Doctor of Psychiatry. All of you are doing some great service with children who are on the phones. I really appreciate and respect you for that. I'm going to give you some pointers to win this war against corona. Microbes like bacteria and virus are not new to us. They've been there for quite some time. And there is a system in our body, the great military intelligence called as immune system, which remove all this bacteria and virus from your system. The whole idea of fighting against the virus is to boost your immune system capacity. How to do that? There are many ways. Let's start with the first one, the physical aspect. First is good nutrition, which means at least one fruit a day, like oranges, one salad, like carrot or tomatoes, protein diet, like pulses, lentils, and this is the nutrition part. Second part is you can get vitamin D from sunlight. Sitting close to the windows or the doorstep and receive direct sunlight on your skin will boost vitamin D in your body. And vitamin D is a great immunostimulant which will boost your immune system. So nutrition, sunlight. Third point is mild to moderate exercise inside the room, inside the premises, walking, squatting exercises, yoga asanas. You can do so many things, mild to moderate exercise. And last one in the physical aspect is adequate rest. 6 to 8 hours of sleep is absolutely essential to boost your immune system. So physically you must remain energized by focusing on nutrition, receiving sunlight, mild to moderate exercise, adequate sleep. Moving on to the mental level, there are two parts to the mind. The first part is called as the emotional mind. Immune system is not functioning independently. 4 systems are involved together. The nervous system, the endocrine system, the mind, and the immune system. Technically we call it neuro, psycho, endocrino, immunology. All these 4 are interacting. In fact, there is a constant transfer of information from the brain cells to the immune cells, the lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are called as traveling brain cells. So, your mental attitude, your mental fitness, your mental positivity, these get imprinted to the brain cells. And from the brain cells, they are transferred to the immune cells, lymphocytes. And lymphocytes are now charged to fight the virus more effectively. So it's a very, very important, paramount importance to maintain a positive mental attitude by constantly repeating positive messages like I am healthy, I am adequately protected, I am taking all the precautionary measures, I am adequately nourished, I am healthy. These things should be repeated continuously so that the message goes into the brain and from the brain to the lymphocytes, and thus you boost your immunity. Bonding with children emotionally, playing games with them, encouraging them, making them laugh, making them feel confident. This emotional bonding boosts the immune system capacity for both you and the child, and the whole atmosphere gets positively charged. So emotionality is very important. Third, we come to the intellectual aspect of it. During the lockdown period, the ancient proverb says, no, idle man's mind is devil's workshop. So you have to keep your mind occupied and sharp by focusing on learning something new. It can be a language, it can be a skill, it can be music, it can be anything, Sudoku, crossword, it can be anything to stimulate your intellectual mind. So intellectually you must remain focused, emotionally you must get connected, physically you must be charged, and finally we come to the aspect which is beyond the mind and body, what is called as the transcendental areas, where spend some time, 5 to 10 minutes, with eyes closed and meditate. If you have belief in God, prayer. If you are atheist, no problem. Nature is the God. So, 10 minutes of communicating with a higher power. Spiritually you get aligned. So, physically you are charged, emotionally you are connected, intellectually you are focused, spiritually you are aligned. This is what is called full engagement against the viral invasion. You boost your immune system and defeat this virus. Tough times do not last, but tough people do. So keep that in mind. Go full steam. All the best. God bless.